Welcome to our tutorial on how to download your data archive on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by visiting your Twitter account on your PC. From the navigation bar, locate and click on the menu icon. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the navigation menu. Find and click on Download an archive of your data. Click the Request Archive button to initiate the data download process. Twitter will send a verification code to your email for confirmation. Enter the code provided to confirm your identity. Once verified, you'll receive a message confirming that your request has been received. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours for Twitter to process your request. You will be notified via email or push notification when your data archive is ready for download. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to download your data archive on X, Twitter, on PC. Retrieve your Twitter data archive easily by following these steps, allowing you to access and store your data for personal reference or backup purposes.